Hello students, good morning to all. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is practical geometry. So we have studied about geometry where we have studied about different shapes and lines, angles, about this. So we have studied about this thing in geometry. So what is practical geometry? Practical means when we are using practically means when we are using that time, that is practical geometry. So geometry is what? Geometry tells us about lines, angles, shapes, and practical geometry is about construction of these shapes. Okay, so in practical geometry we'll construct. Construct means what? We'll make. Okay, with the help of some instruments. These lines or angles or shapes. Okay, all these shapes like polygons, your hexagon, heptagon, that is your rectangle, square, all those things we can make with some instruments. So today we'll study about that in practical geometry we'll study about the instruments we are using in practical geometry, or that is for making these geometrical shapes, and about how we can make line or how we can draw line and how we can draw circle. Okay, let's see. So tools to be used for construction. So whenever some work is going on, there we need some instrument to do that work. ଯେତେବେଳେ କୋଉ କାମ କରୁଛ ତା ପାଇଁ instrument ଦରକାର. Like when you are doing when you are cutting your pencil. So if you need to sharpen your pencil, what you need? You need a cutter. So for sharpening pencil, आमे कौन दरकार पड़ुची? Cutter. So that cutter is your tool for sharpening the pencil. So when your mommy is cooking, that time she is needing so many utensils and so many appliances. There are those utensils and other appliances or other things, instruments, those are the tools for cooking. Like that, we have tools for construction or tools for making geometrical shapes. So, I am showing you have seen this type of geometrical boxes. Okay, एमिति geometrical boxes देखिछो. So, inside this, we can find so many instruments. These are the tools for making geometrical shapes. These are the different tools. And we'll see one by one all about all these tools, and we'll describe and we'll see what is the use of each and every tools. एथिर जेतिकी भी tools अछि means जेतिकी भी instruments अछि तारो use विषय पढ़िबा आ ता से तो ताकू केमती use करा जाय. Okay, so let's see. So number 1 is what? Number 1 is ruler. Ruler is what? A ruler ideally has no markings on it. Specifically तापर marking होता है, but however the ruler in your instrument box is graduated into centimeters along one edge and sometimes into inches along the other edge. So see, this is your scale. So look at here, if I'll keep here, so look at here, this one is what? This portion is centimeter. Okay, so this is centimeter. If I'll zoom it, then you can see it properly. Look, if I'm keeping, look, these are centimeter. Okay, so here 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here markings are there till this. So this is 15 centimeter. So here one side is marked with centimeter, then you see it other side, it is what? It is marked with inches. So look at here, this one is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, like this. Okay, so here one side in in ruler one side is marked with centimeter and other side is marked with inches. So what is the use? Use is to draw line segments and to measure length. So we can draw line segment and we can measure length with this. So let's do. So if I'll take 2 point, then I'll join it. Look, I have made what? I have made a line segment with the help of ruler. And how much this is, I don't know, because I have not measured. Measurement करनी, but I can measure. I put 0 here and okay. So I'll zoom it so that you can see. So look at here. This portion is 0, one end, and other end is how much? This is 6.56. So 6 point what? 6.6. So by ruler you can measure it. This one is 6.6 centimeter. So this is used for, this ruler is used for making lines or drawing lines, and you can measure their lengths easily with the help of ruler. Next geometrical instrument is what? Compasses. What is compasses? So look at here. A pair of pointer on one end and a pencil on the other. It is used to mark off equal lengths but not to measure them, to draw arcs and circles. So this is our compass. Okay. So here this one is pointer. Okay. So this is pointer, and here one side what we'll put? We'll put pencil like this and we'll fix it. Okay. Always keep this portion equal by keeping like this. एमिति balance करियो. Then tight this portion. 8 portion को tight कर दो. Okay. So that it will be easy to draw and easy to handle this instrument. A instrument को handle कर पारो. So this is what? Compasses, or you can say in simple compass, because here 2 end is there, that's why it is, we are telling as compasses, or you can say compass. So here we have pencil one side and other end what do we have? We have pointer. गोटे साइड रे pointer अछि, गोटे साइड आमे कोन करे? To mark of equal lengths. Okay. Not to measure them. How we can mark equal lengths? So if I'll draw a line like this. Okay. So here if I want to mark it, so what I'll do? I can mark it anywhere. Look at here. How we can mark it? Like this we can mark, and we can make equal lengths. Here I have taken what length? 8 जेतिकी length नहीं छे या ऊपर point करियो, then you can take other one. Okay, like this. This length is, if I write this A B C, here AB is equal to BC. Okay, and what you can make? You can make arc like this. You can put this point and make arc. Okay, and or you can make circle. Yeah, a through तुम circle भी तैयारी कर पारियो. So look at here, point like this, and like this you can make circle. So with the help of compass you can measure, means you can mark of equal lengths, or you can draw arcs and circle. Next is the divider. Divider is what? A pair of pointers, and its use is to compare lengths. So this is divider. Okay, so here both hand have 2 pointers. Dita side dita end re kon achi? Pointers achi, and this is to compare length. We can compare length. Look at here. Look, if I'll take a line, if I'll make a line here, okay, one line, then I'll make other line. Okay, so what I'll do, if I'll fix the divider, pointer of the divider here, fix kar debi, then I'll keep here, then look at here, this is less than this line. A line ro etiki hi cover karuchi, means this line is smaller than this line. Okay, so that with the help of divider we can compare the lengths. Here you can easily compare the lengths. After seeing this only we can say that एको देखि तमे कहि पारछो ए दुटा कोन होचे, yes, this is small and this is big line. But if I'll make little bit here, okay, like this. So how you can measure, याको measure केमती करियो, first fix the pointer, एमती pointer fix करियो. Okay, so then what you will do, keep it at the one end and keep it. So look at here, the other pointer is not on the other end. Other pointer ta ei end re nahi, means this line is smaller than this line. Okay, so like this you can compare the lengths. Then next instrument is what? Next instrument is, those are set squares. So these are set square. This is one set square and this is other set square. So what is set square? Two triangular pieces, one of them has 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Okay, so this one has what? This is one triangle pieces. Here it is 90 degree, a side of the 90 degree, then here 45 degree, 45 degree, then and the other has 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree at the vertices. Other one is what? This one. This bigger one, here this is 90 degree and one is 60 degree, another one is 30 degree. It is used to draw perpendicular and parallel line. We can draw easily perpendicular and parallel line. So let's make. So what you will do? You take a line like this. Okay. Then put it here like this and you can make a perpendicular. Okay. Like this you can make a perpendicular. So this line, this is perpendicular, and otherwise what you can make? A parallel line. केमिति parallel line करियो? Make a line. Okay, then what you will do? You keep it straight. Okay, then take it above and make a line. Now this line is parallel to this line. Like this you can make parallel line, perpendicular line with the help of two set squares. Next you see the protractor. Protractor is what? A semicircular device graduated into 180 degree parts. Okay, means that is divided into 180 degree parts. The measure starts from 0 degree on the right hand side and ends with 180 degree on the left hand side, vice versa. Okay, it is used to draw and measure angles. So this is, look at here, this is our protractor. If I'll zoom it, you can see here from the left side it is starting from 0, then it is ending at the right side 180 degree. Okay, I'll show in the white page so you can easily see it. Look, it is starting on the left side 0, then ending on the right side 180 degree, then again Vice versa means again on the right side it is starting from 0 and it is ending on the left side with 180 degree, means it has 180 parts. So what we can do, we can draw angles and measure angles with the help of this, and we will see this, we'll use this one in later. Okay, so next we will see ruler and compasses construction. How we will use the ruler and compass for construction. Ruler और compass को केमिति construction में use करियो. Using ruler only to draw lines and compasses only to draw arcs. Okay, so ruler को कोथरे use करछो? For drawing lines, and for compass is used to draw arcs. Okay. Tips to help you. Which are the tips? Draw thin lines and mark points lightly. जब line draw करियो पूरा पतला line, thin line draw करियो आताको pointly means sharply point करो. Maintain instrument with sharp tips and fine edges. So so everything will be sharp tips. Okay, sharp tips and fine edges. ए edges सबु ए side सबु बड़े fine tip दरकार. एडी जदि एडी भांगी जाइथिवो को जगह नहले एमिति किछि जगह जदि भांगी जाइथिवो सेट स्क्वायर हैला कि तमरो प्रोटेक्टर नहले स्केल है ताहले कोन हबो ताकू तमे भल से यूज कर परिबोनी. और देन यस टिप सब सबले शार्प रहिबा दरकार. ओके, these are sharp. If these are not sharp, you can't use them properly. Okay, then have two pencils in the box. सब बड़े बॉक्स रे दुईटा पेंसिल रहिबो. कोन पई? Because one is used for compass. कंपास रे गोटे यूज हबो जोटा कि सब बड़े छोटो पेंसिल रहे. ओके, दिस विल बी स्मॉल पेंसिल. देन वन इज विल बी used for drawing lines. So here you look, I am using one pencil here in compass and one I am using to draw lines or curves or mark points. Points को mark करिबारे use होउची. Okay, so always use two pencil and always sharpen them. Look, sharpen them properly for making lines or drawing construction. A construction करिया पे सब बड़े यही याकू sharpen करथिबो. Okay. Next we will see the circle. So you have seen wheel of the cycle. Cycle ro चक्को देखिथिबो. Wheel that is like this. That is like how it is like this. That is like this. Okay. So and the wheel will be like this. Okay. So if you go start from one end, it will be from other, and there the spokes will be there. Wheel रे कोन थाय चक्को रे spokes थाय, and all spokes are attached to the boundary of the wheel and center of the wheel. Spokes सब साइकिल रो जो spokes सब थाय एमती जो चारियाडे spokes सब थाय से सब कोन थाय सेंटर को अटैच हेई थाय आउ कोथरे जो कोन कोन साइड को भी अटैच हेई थाय. तो जो सेंटर आउ सब spokes रो लेंथ कोन थाय सेम थाय. ए सब रो समस्त को लेंथ सेम थाय. So if you will consider, and this shape is known as circle. याको को shape या एटा round shape थाय याको हमें कोन कहबा, this is known as circle. In circle it is a round shape in which all the points of its boundary are at equal distance from its center. Means it is जति boundary point अछि those are equal, means those are equal distance from the center. Center थार सब बड़े equal distance रहितो. You can name any 5 objects which have this shape. A circle shape रो आउ कोन अछि गोटे तो example देली कोन wheel, your cycle wheel. You can give any example. You have seen lemon. When you cut the lemon, जितने lemon को cut करिवो, the surface has what? Circular shape. एमिति lemon रो कोन थाय circular shape थिबो. Okay, so this cutting of lemon has circular shape. Like this, you can give example that wheel on your track of our national flag. In national flag, we have circle in between two in on the white portion. Okay, white color portion. ए मझिरे white color portion ना हमर कोन थाय गोटे circle थाय. That is our Ashoka Chakra. Okay, So that is also round shape and that is also a circle. Like this, I have given 2-3 examples. You can give 5 such objects that is near to you. You can see. Okay. So now we'll see how we can construct the circle. So for construction of circle, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. So we'll see what is radius. So we are knowing that in circle है कौन थे? That all the points in the boundary are from equal distance from the center. So circle have center. Circle कौन थे? Center थे. That middle portion is center, and the distance from the center to the boundary is known as radius. Okay, so this is radius. If I am naming A, so CA is what? CA is radius. So by using this radius, we can make a circle. गोटे जदि तुमको रेडियस जଣା थिबो ताहले ताको हमें सर्कल कर सेथरो हमें सर्कल तैयारी करबा. And we have studied about circle in geometry. Then and about the portions of circle, we have center, then radius, then if two radius are joined, then that is diameter. Okay, all those things. So let's see using radius how we can draw. Let's see. So we'll take a compass and a scale to make a circle of radius 3 cm. Radius 3 cm means what you will put? You will keep one pointer at 0 and extend it till 3. Okay, so here it is 0, then here it is 3. Adjust it like this. Okay, एमती तमे adjust करिवो. Okay, so here one end is 0, then other end is 3, means this is 3 cm. So we have taken, then we'll mark a point so that will be center O. Okay, then what we'll do? We'll put the pointer on the center and turn it like this clockwise. Okay, pressure सबबेले pressure एठी रहिबो. Turn it like this clockwise एमिति turn करिवो. Okay, so that look at here, I have kept the pointer here and without disturbing the compass को तुम किछि disturb करिवोनी, आगो पछो करिवोनी, and turn it like this. Okay, so turn it like this means turns clockwise and make a circle. Like this you can easily make a circle. And here the radius, now you can make any radius. This will be how much? 3 cm. So this is your circle which has radius 3 cm. So let's make another circle. We'll take how much? Let's take 2.5 cm. So I'll put pointer here and I'll adjust this pencil to 2.5 like this. Okay, so I have adjusted. Now I got this one as 2.5 cm. Then what I'll do? I'll make a point. Then what I'll do? I'll put the pointer here. Pointer को एटी रखिबी. ओ कोठी? Center point रे. Then I'll hold it here. Okay. Then what I'll do? I'll make it circle. Turn it. Okay. Like this. एमिति turn करियो and you can make a circle. Okay. So here circle has been made. And this radius is how much? This radius is 2.5 cm. Okay. So like this you can make circle with the help of pencil, scale and compass, and with the help of taking radius, measurement of radius. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Thank you.